Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to master Node.js, the popular JavaScript runtime environment. If you're a beginner or aspiring developer looking to learn Node.js, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step to help you become a Node.js pro. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding the basics of Node.js. Start by getting familiar with the basics of Node.js. Learn about its architecture, event-driven nature, and non-blocking I/O model. This foundational knowledge will help you grasp the unique characteristics and advantages of Node.js. 2. JavaScript fundamentals. Since Node.js is built on JavaScript, it's crucial to have a strong understanding of JavaScript fundamentals. Review topics like variables, data types, functions, and control flow. This will ensure you have a solid JavaScript foundation before diving into Node.js specific concepts. 3. Node Package Manager, NPM. Explore the power of NPM, the package manager for Node.js. Learn how to install, manage, and utilize third-party libraries and frameworks to enhance your Node.js projects. NPM is a valuable resource for accelerating your development process and leveraging existing code. 4. Building web applications with Express.js. Discover Express.js, a popular web application framework for Node.js. Master the essentials of routing, middleware, and template engines to build robust and scalable web applications. Express.js provides a solid foundation for building server-side applications with ease. 5. Asynchronous programming with callbacks, promises, and async, await. Dive deep into asynchronous programming in Node.js. Understand the concepts of callbacks, promises, and async, await to handle asynchronous operations efficiently. Asynchronous programming is a fundamental aspect of Node.js, enabling scalable and performant applications. 6. Working with databases and ODM. Learn how to interact with databases in Node.js. Explore popular database options like MongoDB, MySQL, or PostgreSQL, and understand how to use Object Relational Mapping, or Object Document Mapping, ODM, libraries to simplify database operations. 7. Testing and debugging in Node.js. Discover essential techniques for testing and debugging Node.js applications. Explore testing frameworks like Mocha or Jest and debugging tools like the Node.js built-in debugger or the Chrome DevTools. Proper testing and debugging practices are critical for ensuring the reliability of your code. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Node.js. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Node.js developer. Remember to practice regularly, explore additional Node.js modules and frameworks, and stay updated with the Node.js ecosystem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips. Happy coding with Node.js!